Tile cleaning agents. Welcome to our floor restoration channel. These marble tiles were imported from India at £20 a square meter. Unfortunately, many of the tiles were bowed, causing a lippage of nearly 1 centimeter. Lippage is a height difference between two adjacent tiles. It can be unsightly and pose a trip hazard. Minor lippage may be acceptable in homes, but should never be present in public spaces like airports or shopping centers. For this project, our customer requested a seamless floor. This means the entire floor surface is ground to the same level as the grout, almost making the grout lines invisible. Before polishing, we must first grind down the lippage using metal bonded polishing discs. After removing the lippage, we filled the grout lines with epoxy resin. We then used low grit resin discs to grind down the excess resin. The resin must be completely removed to achieve a seamless floor. Once the excess resin is gone, the floor is perfectly flat and ready for polishing. The floor can then be polished with discs ranging from 60 grit to 3000. The final polish for this dolomite floor is done with a polishing powder or paste.